Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best benchtop planners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Fine Buy Tool 13-inch benchtop wood thickness planer with helical cutter head. This premium option comes loaded with advanced features designed for precision woodworking. Its standout feature is the helical cutter head with 40 tungsten carbide insert knives, which delivers an incredibly smooth finish and reduces tear out, even on tricky hardwoods. The 4-column design ensures stability and accuracy, with a thickness tolerance of less than 0.1 millimeter. The build quality is robust, featuring cast iron and aluminum components that provide durability and a solid foundation for heavy-duty projects. The dust collection system is particularly impressive, efficiently removing chips without clogging, which keeps your workspace clean and saves time during post-project cleanup. However, at $699.99, this planer is the most expensive on our list. While it offers premium features like a professional-grade motor and precise depth stops for repeat cuts, the cost may deter budget-conscious buyers. This model is ideal for experienced woodworkers or serious hobbyists who demand top-tier performance and are willing to pay for it. Pros include its smooth operation, exceptional cutting accuracy, and quiet performance. Cons are the steep price and slightly slower feed rate compared to others on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the WEN Thickness Planer PL1337, a versatile 2-speed model that offers excellent value for its price. The spiral cutter head, with 26 staggered and rotatable high-speed steel blades, ensures clean, smooth cuts, making it great for both hardwood and softwood projects. The 2-speed operation lets you choose between a faster 26 feet per minute feed rate for dimensioning or a slower 16 feet per minute rate for a finer finish. Design-wise, this planer features a solid construction weighing 69 pounds with onboard storage for tools and a dust port compatible with both 2.5-inch and 4-inch hoses. The depth stop and material removal gauge ensure consistent results, while the workpiece return rollers make handling larger boards easier. The motor generates 10,000 RPM, delivering up to 1,354 cuts per inch for a polished finish. Priced at $604.99, this planer balances performance and affordability. It's perfect for intermediate woodworkers looking for a reliable spiral cutter head without breaking the bank. Pros include smooth cuts, adjustable feed rates, and solid build quality. Cons are slightly heavier design and less advanced dust collection compared to premium models. At number 3, we have the DeWalt DW735, a powerhouse in the world of benchtop planers. This model is equipped with a 15-amp motor capable of 20,000 RPM and a 3-knife cutter head that delivers exceptional performance and extended knife life. The 2-speed gearbox allows you to switch between 96 or 179 cuts per inch, optimizing results for both rough dimensioning and fine finishing. The DW735 boasts a sturdy cast aluminum base that's twice as rigid as standard bases, ensuring durability and precision. The fan-assisted chip ejection system helps keep your workspace clear, while the automatic carriage lock reduces snipe, an essential feature for achieving consistent results. Its material removal gauge and oversized thickness scale make adjustments quick and easy. Priced at $599, this planer is geared toward professionals and serious DIYers who demand reliability and top-tier performance. Pros include its high cutting precision, durable build, and efficient chip ejection. Cons are its heavier weight at 90 pounds and lack of a helical cutter head, which some users may prefer for smoother cuts. Overall, the DW735 is a trusted name for high-quality planing. At number 2, we have the KRAIN 13-inch benchtop planer. This budget-friendly option delivers surprising power and precision for its price. Powered by a 15-amp, 2000W industrial motor. This model handles tough hardwoods like oak and maple with ease. Its HSS double-sided blades are durable and sharpenable, ensuring a lifespan of over 5 years. The KRAIN planer features laser-calibrated lead screws for precise cuts with a tolerance of just 0.008 inches. The dual dust ports capture up to 85% of debris, making cleanup faster and more efficient. It also comes with a 3-year warranty and lifetime support, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Priced at $339, the KRAIN planer is ideal for hobbyists and DIYers who want solid performance without spending a fortune. Pros include its strong motor, precise cuts, and excellent dust collection. Cons are its slightly lower rotational speed of 9,200 RPM and less refined build quality compared to higher-end models. Overall, it's a fantastic value pick for beginners and intermediate users. And at the top of our list, at number 1, is the WEN PL1252 12.5-inch benchtop thickness planer. This is the most budget-friendly option on the list, yet it doesn't skimp on performance. With a 15-amp motor generating 20,000 cuts per minute and a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, this planer handles most woodworking tasks with ease. The 2 reversible SK5 blades provide a reliable and smooth finish for boards up to 6 inches thick. The design is compact and lightweight at just 63.9 pounds, making it easy to move around your workshop. While it lacks some premium features like a spiral cutter head, it compensates with straightforward operation and excellent value for its price. The adjustable depth of cut, ranging from 0 to 1/8 inch, allows for versatility in various projects. At $296.12, this planer is perfect for beginners or anyone on a tight budget who still wants decent performance. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and a compact design. Cons are limited features compared to higher-end models and slightly less refined cutting performance. For entry-level users, the WEN PL1252 is a fantastic option that delivers great results without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.